Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings immediately. Click the status area in the lower right, then tap the settings gear. Once done, type accessibility into the settings search to find display controls faster. You do this because font controls often live under accessibility or display sections. Make sure to enable relevant accessibility options so additional font and scaling settings appear. If you use a managed Chromebook, check with your admin first, because policies can hide these controls. Now you change the font attributes directly. Open Display or Accessibility and locate text size or font options. Use the slider to increase or decrease size, and pick a serif or sans option if the system offers font families. Once you adjust, preview text in Chrome tabs and in the launcher to ensure legibility. Make sure to also check screen scaling if fonts look cramped. Scaling affects desktop apps versus web content differently. Take small steps and test until the balance feels right. Finish by saving your settings and restarting Chrome or signing out and back in. This forces font updates across apps. If fonts still don't change, disable any browser extensions that override page styles and reset display settings to defaults before deeper steps. Make sure to clear cache, as some pages cache font rendering. If managed policies block changes, contact your admin. As a last resort, consider Power Wash only after backing up data. Power Wash resets everything and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.